Hey guys, it's Trimatize. I'm back. Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe because you are going to love it here. This is the look that I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoy. Let's get right into this video. So as usual, I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer to prime my eyelids. I ensure to blend that concealer all over my lid because, as you know it, I am blessed with Hoodedeyes. So today, we are going to use this palette from ABH and go in with the color Eccentric as our transition shade. So because I have hooded eyes, I always tend to blend my transition shade a little above my natural lid. Next, I'm going in with the shade Passion just to deepen up my outer crease. From time to time, you'll see me go in just to make sure I blend out these colors to my liking. I needed my outer corner to look a little bit darker, so I went in with this shade from the Nubian 2 palette. And then I made sure to blend everything out using that same transition shade from my ABH palette. So if you guys have been watching my videos so far, you already know this trick. This is what I do to get my cut crease, at least the outline of my cut crease, and then go in with this brush to perfectly shape it out. I do have a detailed video as to how I do my cut crease on hooded eyes, so if you want to check that out, just click the link on top of the screen. I'm going back in with that darker shade from the Juvia's Place palette to blend out my cut crease, and then going in with these 3 shades from the ABH palette to finish up the look on the eyes. Okay, so now it's time to moisturize my face, moisturize my lips, and prime my T-zone area. So you guys will see me do this for the first time. I'm actually going with some setting powder just to keep any oils at bay. Then going in with my favorite foundation at this time, Superstay, in the shade, I think it's in the shade Coconut. Yeah, 355 is Coconut, yeah. Let me stress this, ladies, it doesn't matter how much your foundation matches your face. Please blend your neck. Blend your neck. Please. I'm going in to conceal with my oldie but goldie. I love this concealer from LA Girl in the shade Fawn. So today I'm blending out my concealer a little bit towards my ear area. I wanted that uplifted look on my face. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. You see how under my eyes just look lifted? It looks bright and more youthful. That is the effect of extending your concealer gives. I go into to blend out the edges with my foundation brush, and this is the result. It's beautiful, guys. I just love the way it just lifts my face. with my favorite setting powder from Cosmetics. As you can see, guys, it is almost done. I've had this powder for ages. I blow off any excess and lightly press until the powder disappears. Please note, guys, that all the products that I will be using in this video will be listed down in the description box together with any discount codes if you want to purchase them. Okay? Going in to set the rest of my face with these two shades from Milani and Arista, guys. I'm also using this Real Technique brush. Guys, this brush is amazing. The way it just hugs my skin and presses the powder directly into my skin. This creates a flawless finish, guys. I mean flawless. Now I'm going in to lightly contour my face, guys, with this palette from Absolute New York. I love this step, and once again you will see why. Look at the definition in my face, guys. Do you see the difference between that side of my face and the other side? Do you see how high my cheekbone is? Well, the illusion of my cheekbone is referencing the other side of my face. I'm telling you guys, go ahead and contour. Every time you do your makeup, make sure you contour that face. You don't even have to highlight. Just make sure you lightly bronze the corners of your face just to give your face some type of definition. That same Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to bake the bridge of my nose and also clean up under my contour so my face looks more defined. I always do this step in my tutorial. If you watch my other tutorials, then you would know. So go watch my other tutorials. So it's time to finish up the eyes with an eyeliner, and then I go in with the two shades from the ABH palette just to smoke out that liner. Guys, for some reason, I always forget to contour my nose until the end of the look. If this happens to you sometimes, guys, please let me know down in the comment section. Let me know that I am not alone. So I thought for a split second that my nose contour was crooked. So I was like, can someone come contour my nose for me, please? So it's time to set, guys, and as you can see, most of my products are running low. Like, I actually tried to spray this onto my face, and this does not look like setting spray. I was like, what is happening? What is happening? So I quickly rushed in with my matte finish setting spray from Ruby Kisses, and everything came out fine. I honestly thought that the look would be ruined, but it wasn't. We're fine. So I went back into the Nubian palette to use this shade as a blush, and guys, this came out so perfect. Now it's time to highlight. with this lip pencil from Nicka K in the shade Wild Cherry to line my lips. I tend to overline my lips just a little bit because I like that pouty look that it gives, that extra zhuzh. Ladies, you know what I mean. So if you have been watching my videos, you guys already know what lipstick this is. This is my favorite lipstick at the moment. It is just perfect for my skin tone. It's perfect for every eye look. I'm telling you guys, you need to get this lipstick. So I'm topping this off with my favorite as well from LOVELIES. I don't know what happened to this footage, guys. I think it got lost, but yeah. I honestly think we're done, guys. Like, what do you think? Yes. So no one told me that my liner was crooked. Yeah. But anyways, I still look cute. I'm still loving this look. I'm still jamming. So you already know, guys, show me some love down in the comment section. Go ahead and give this video a like and make sure you subscribe. Like, why aren't you subscribed already? Why? Follow me on Instagram. See you guys in the next video. Mwah.